And today we have one particular flashlight from Convoy. These are all from Convoy. This is L21B, but with F45R LED. You can see it here. And this is the same body, but with OSRAM LED. And you can see the differences here. And you can see this is L21A, and you can see the difference against another OSRAM LED. Yeah. So we will be reviewing this one. So who did not see L21B review, this flashlight can be disassembled from any side. Here we have the spring. Inside 21700 battery. I used moly cell for all my tests. And another side is also with the spring. Here we also have the spring, bigger spring, and the button here. Let's put the battery inside. We don't need this anymore. LED, smooth reflector for long range. And this is how it compares to L21A. And I think L21A is heavier, yeah, because it has more metal on it. And my tail button is changed on L21A and L21B default button. And that's how it looks. There is a group 12 group UI. I chose the 10th group for 1%, 10%, 40%, and 100%. And you will see measurements corresponding to this percentage. And simple is one press to turn on, half press to change mode, half press to change mode. Turn off, it has memory. You can turn that memory off. You can find the manual in the website, which will be in the video description. And that's it, very simple UI. It can remember even turbo, so any mode. And that's it. Yeah, so let's compare those and one other flashlight at night and see how it performs. See you in the darkness. But before item shots, we have random graphs, and here is high and turbo. But turbo I don't like because it steps down too quickly. Now I have bonus footage, more of a real world usage. And let's try 500 meters in the city. And this is Convoy L21B. Sorry for shaky hands. Fully visible, 500 meters. Let's go to another object. Now we have 620 meters. Again, fully visible, all the building. Go to next place. And last place, last object. About 400 meters away. And my final opinion about this flashlight, particularly this L21B with F45R LED. I would like to see this LED in this body, L21A, because I think that this body could hold turbo for longer, as it's much beefier. And this one is the narrowest. So, difference between them. This has the most lumens and the same range as this one, but this one is narrower, L21A. And what that means that with this one, you have the same range as that one, but for when you illuminate the subject, it's wider and there is more light. And this one is the smallest, narrowest, and this one is for spotting the target and not illuminating anything around it, and it has the least lumens. So, I think it's a great addition to L21B and maybe in the future L21A with this LED from Convoy. And there is a lot of options in those two bodies. That's why I chose those two flashlights to compare. And yeah, I think this great price and very great flashlight from Convoy with great option for the LED. It's stabilized, it is long range, and it's good. At least good for your money. Yeah, so let me know what are your options. Maybe you have L21B or L21A. Leave the comment below. And see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye.